Hey guys, Mike here, November 16th, yes, on a Saturday. It's about 9, I don't know, 30-ish. So today's project is I'm going to fill in that recessed area that goes in about 3.5 inches and kind of put a false wall so it's all straight. And so I got to put a ledger board. This is a big cluster, but I'll get it right. That concrete slab is not level. Go figure. And so then I'm going to do that, hopefully by noon. And then I'm going to put more studs. Let's walk on my layout. We got the pony wall finished down there. So I still need to put red heads in it, but it's pretty much where it is. And of course it's not level. The wall's level right now. Look how much it goes inside the mud seal. Oops. So I'm gonna have to put like some of this flashing or something, on it and put my hardy back to it because I don't want water to go in there. And then I'm gonna put studs in between these 2-foot on center, 16 on center, because I'm gonna put my OSB. And then shear it before the rain comes. Yay! At least get this and put a new window in and put Tyvek on it. So, and then we'll see how long the storm lasts. So, anyways, got my work cut out for me yet again. Yay! Hey guys, Mike here, November 18th, Monday morning. Worked all weekend, yay. So today I'm going to finish putting some studs in the wall for my 16 on center. Kind of have to finish framing that window because of course it's not square, so I've got to put a couple more boards in there. And then I'm going to put shear on it like I did on the bottom and go all the way up. And I did finish that pony wall. That was fun because nothing about it was square. So anyway, so that's nice and sturdy and level. Put my vent blocks in, those vertical 2x4s all the way down. There's 2 behind this wall. So anyways, I gotta get the 2x4s in, insulated. Oops, crash. Insulated, the shear, Tyvek, and the window in by today. And put a gutter on that side and one on the other side because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So, yay, wish me luck. Talk to you later, bye. Hey guys, Mike here, November 21st, after a couple days of rain. I'm back at it, so now everything's like a mud mess. Yay! So anyways, I did get my Tyvek on and window installed, so I put that a little extra Tyvek above that window just so I knew I wasn't going to get any rain in. But today, I got to MacGyver this panel. All the wires go underneath it, which is good, so I can go behind it. So I have to unclamp it, take that siding above the poles there, or the weatherhead, put a strap on there, hold the panel up, and then put some rope, or I got some nylon strap from PG&E. I can strap onto that tension wire and then secure it in the attic so I can side behind it. So yeah, that's not looking forward to doing that. But and then I'm going to take the siding off just past that window. That's the kitchen window. So, and then put 2x4s in, blah blah blah, insulation, shear, and then just let that panel hang for a while until I get Hardy back. So fun, fun, fun. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, Mike here, November 21st. So I started to do the panel and I got that all secured and hanging pretty much. I do have a couple screws holding it together. I don't know why I'm losing my voice, but anyways, so I started taking the 1x12s off because I had to put studs in there. And I was wondering why it wouldn't come off very easy, because it's hooked to my kitchen cabinets. Oops. So these are the drawers. Mind you, this is probably like 1924 cabinets. And then that's the splash. There's some tile, and that's the upper cabinet right there. So there's the old floor, tongue-and-groove floor. So guess what I get to do? I get to put new cabinets in on this side. It already has new cabinets on the other side of the kitchen. So anyways, I'm going to put this board back and put Tyvek over it, and we're going to go look at cabinets, the owner of the house, the landlord, and go from there. So retrofit kitchen, yay! Talk to you later, bye. Hey guys, Mike here, November 23rd, about 10:30. So, went to IKEA yesterday, picked out some cabinets, made a plan. So today is kitchen demo day. Yay! At least I'm going to do this side, because this is the outside wall that has no studs behind the cabinets. So anyways, I got to do a few things when I take it all off. Is that faucet's not going to be coming out of the wall. It's going to come out of the regular stainless steel kitchen sink. And I got to put a plug down there for, they already made some repairs down the road, but that'll be all new sheetrock. But I got to put a plug and some shut-off valves for the copper. For a dishwasher, that's going to go right there. And then we're going to put cabinets all the way, you know, to the wall on both sides. And a new countertop, throw in extra plugs in the counter where the tile is, because it's not going to have tile. It's just going to have like the Formica granite looking simulated, which actually looks kind of cool. So anyway, so I'm going to put a plug there and another plug there. So today, tools of choice is Sawzall, crowbar, drill. I got to take some stuff off. Impact drill, my wonder tool, my fine tool, love this tool. It's the best freaking tool they make right there. Jackhammer, skill saw, tool bag, and a mega BFH if I have some stubborn boards. So anyways, so this isn't going to take me that long. I'm going to do the tile around that faucet right now because I don't want to turn the water off right now, but then I need to make a Home Depot run, get some supplies and some studs, and put some studs in this wall. 16 on center, insulation. Oh yeah, took the siding off yesterday, or a couple days ago. Yeah, icy daylight, so all the crumble and wood came flying out. So yeah, you know, a little clean up there. So this kitchen's gonna look like brand new. like a showroom. So, talk to you later. Wish me luck. Yay! Hey guys, Mike here. November 23rd, about 2 o'clock. So, I got pretty much all the cabinets off. So now I'm chunking away on the tile and the mud mortar that they had on it. What a joke. So, and you know, look at this high-tech wiring. That's cool. And these 1x12s right here, that's the wall. So, do you see any studs in here? No. So, anyways, God, I hope it doesn't fall, cave in on me. That's a lot of weight on some 1x12s. Anyway, so, yeah, nice. Yeah, this looks like a World War II bombing site. So, anyways, probably another couple hours to demo this, and then I'll have to unhook the sink down there so I can rip this sink off. So, anyways, so, yeah, nice. Only cut myself once and stepped on a nail, but it didn't go all the way through my shoe, so yay. So, anyway, talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, Mike here again. November 23rd, about 4:15-ish, kinda. So I got everything done pretty much. I put a couple studs, just jammed them in there. So, I don't know, might hold it up. Then I took the panel off and I discovered this. It's like these holes with vents. So, this could have been like a bathroom right here. Because from this wall to that wall and behind me, that was the original house. And then they added on to the front, like my living room, and then, you know, one more bedroom and a laundry room. So anyway, so I don't know what that is. I've never seen that before. So I spent a lot of time drilling holes. Anyway, so I'm going to take the sink out tomorrow. I got to go to Home Depot. I'll just do that tomorrow. Get some shut-off valves and stuff. And then take the rest of this countertop out. And then I'm just going to take the rest of that sheetrock off to the edge. It's less than 12 feet, so I just need like 3 sheets of sheetrock. And then I'll put a bottom plate on there and put more studs in it, 16 on center, and I have a new window to put in there, so I'll frame out the window, put a header in it. And these wires are abandoned. It's because I remember in the panel, so they just couldn't get to them from the cabinet, so I'm going to cut those off, but I'll check them for power just in case. So anyways, that's all. I'm rambling on. So, working tomorrow. Yay. Bye. Hey, Mike here, November 23rd, about 4:30. So here's all the cabinet stuff in my yard. So good thing that hedge is there, because then I'd look like I live in Arkansas or somewhere. So anyway, so I'll have to smash it all, cut it all up, and then stick it in a dumpster. But yay! So doesn't look like much though, does it? Anyways, so trailer trash. See you later. Bye.